Hello everybody, Franklin Taggart here from Franklin Taggart Coaching and Consulting. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to upload photos from your computer onto a Blogger post or into a Blogger page. I had a person ask about this the other day and I thought I would just put together a real quick tutorial about it. It's not a real difficult thing to do. I already have my Blogger dashboard open in my browser window, and all I'm going to do is add a new post. So I go up to the upper left hand corner where it says plus new post, and I click on that button and that opens up my window. Now this is in HTML mode, and I actually want to be in compose mode for this particular function. You can insert photos through HTML mode, but I would rather do it through compose because then you can see the finished product. So up here in the upper left hand corner you can see where the HTML button is with the two arrows pointing away from each other. That's the HTML view. If I click on the little button there, it opens a window and I am going to select compose view. Now compose view looks a little bit more like a regular word processor page. So the thing that we're going to do, first thing is I'm going to go ahead and put in a title. The photos that I'm including in this are from the Realities for Children tree lighting that happened in Fort Collins earlier this week. And so I'll put in my title, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my cursor in, write a little bit about it. So I'll just put a little bit of a description there, and I'll go ahead and hit enter, and my cursor will go down to a blank line. Now to insert a picture, very easy thing to do. Up here on the menu bar, you can see all of those different menu options. Right here in the middle of the menu bar there is a photograph, an image, insert image. You can see that automatically when you roll over it with your cursor. And I'm going to click on that. Now I can insert photos from Google Photos. I can insert photos that I've already uploaded to Blogger, and I can insert photos anywhere else online by using the URL. But I'm going to upload some photos from my computer. And so it opens this really cool dialog window and allows me to choose files to upload. And let me go to the photo file where I'm going to be. And let's see, I'm not going to do all of them, but I think I will choose a couple. I'll do one with the whole band. And let's go with those three. Actually, let's add this one too. Oh no, let's go with my mouth wide open. I was singing You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch. So that's why all of these are called Grinch. So Blogger will allow you to upload any kind of photo file that you have. The one kind that some people try to upload that won't work is a PDF, but it'll allow you to upload a JPEG, it'll allow you to upload a TIFF, it'll allow you to upload a PNG file, and I also think that it will allow you to upload GIFs. Now I don't recall if that's as a video or if you have to upload it as a photo. But Blogger has a pretty nice selection of photo types that it will allow you to upload. So I've selected the ones that I want to upload in the dialog box, and I just go down here and click on Open. Now it's going to automatically select pictures to put up, and you can select or unselect those pictures just by clicking on them. But I do want to go ahead and include all of them. So I'm going to select all of them and push the select button. Now that automatically loads them right into the Blogger file. And it automatically selects the last one. Now the thing that's really cool is that you can actually move them around. Like if, let's say that you want to have your pictures in a different order than what they put them in, you can just click on it and you can drag it to where you want it to be. Drag and drop sometimes is a little bit awkward, we all know that. So I'm going to put a little caption in on here, and the way that you get a caption on a photo in Blogger is you roll over the photo that you want to do, and then you click on it when you see the direction arrows open up. And you can adjust where the photo shows up. You can put it on the left side, you can put it in the center, you can put it on the right side, however you want to do it. I'm going to put this in the center. You also can resize it. So let's say that I want to have an extra large size. I can make it that big, or I can make it smaller. Medium was what the default was. And if I wanted to put a caption, I will go down here and you see the text letter A. That is where you can actually put a caption in. So when you do that, it gives you an add caption file, and I will just put in "You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch." And in this one, the second one down here, I think I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. I'll go ahead and put the large file in. So the nice thing about captions is they're searchable on Google, which means that if you use keywords in your captions, that they can show up in Google searches. So I think that it's helpful to include captions on your pictures. You also, of course, on Google can put labels on your pictures. Over here on the right-hand side, you can see the word labels. So when you click on labels, what I'm going to do there is I'm going to make sure that Realities for Children is labeled. I'm going to do tree lighting 2020. Actually, I think I'll do 2020 separate. Always separate your labels with a comma. If it's a label you've already used, you'll have that come up as in a suggestion. And by Wickham. So I'm just going to use those labels there, and that'll be enough. All right. And so if I want to preview the page before I publish it, that's easy to do. Just go up here to the upper right-hand corner and click on the preview button. That opens a preview window, and you can see what it will look like on your page. And then you'll see the labels down here at the bottom as well. The labels are searchable, the text in the description searchable, and the captions are all searchable. So there are a lot of ways to make your images searchable online through Google. The image itself, by itself, is not searchable without the tags to go along with it. So all of my captions are done now. I'm ready to go. Everything looks exactly as I want it. And so all I have to do now is click the Publish button, and that will automatically save it, and it will publish the post to my blog so that it will be live on my blog. So I'll click on Confirm. And just for fun, let's take a look at what it looks like on the blog. It comes up as the latest post. I click on it and I can see all of the images that I want to see. So to recap, to include images on your Blogger post, you want to create a new post on your Blogger dashboard. You want to get to the Compose window, Compose view. You'll click on the icon up here, Upload from Computer, choose Files. You can choose whichever photo that you want to use. Select it, and it shows up in the post. When you're ready for it to, if you wanted to add the caption, or if you wanted to change the position or change the size of it, you can do that. So anyhow, you can put labels in so that it's more searchable. You can put the caption, which is searchable. You can put a description, which is searchable. You can add a title, which is searchable. you're ready to go with it, you can just click Publish, confirm, and it is done. So that's how you add a photo to a blog post on Blogger. To add one to the page, it's exactly the same process. So let's say that I wanted to add it to my intro page, which is how, where I introduce myself. So I'm going to go ahead and add a photo right here at the very top. I put my cursor where I want the photo to show up. I click on the photo icon, upload from computer. Actually, this time, let me do it from Blogger. You can see all of these photos now are from Blogger, and my latest ones show up at the bottom of the page. So I am going to use this last one. I'm going to end up deleting that blog post because I just want to use this particular picture on my About page, on my music page. So there we go. I'll put a little caption in here. And I will click Update, and the page will be updated. We can go back to Blogger, look at the View Blog, check the intro page, and right there on the top of the page, the photo that we just entered is on the page. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions at all, please reach out, franklin@franklintaggart.com. And if you have any requests for tutorials about Blogger or any of these other interesting internet sensations, give me a holler and I will do what I can for you. If it's something that I know about, I'm happy to put together a tutorial for you. So that's all there is to it. Insert those photos into your Blogger posts and pages, and I will look forward to seeing you all again. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe to this channel, it's much appreciated. Have a great day.